Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show how to make pretty much the same game, which is number guessing game, in Python, C language and JavaScript. First number guessing game I will show you how to make in Python, which is so far the easiest one. First of all, create Python file and open in VS Code editor. In order to make this video short, I will not be typing all. I will be going through this code and explaining and after running it. So first of all, import random. User need to guess numbers from 1 to 100, and here numbers could be modified according to your requirements. Def game play will be Y, best score 0. If user type Y or yes, then will be printed statement number guessing game, and random number will be selected in range from 1 to 100. If user type number less than 1 or more than 100, will be in terminal displayed print statement your guess was out of the range, try again. If user type number that is higher than random number selected by software, then will be displayed in terminal print statement its lower number. If user selected number that is lower than random number, then will be displayed print statement number is higher. Every time will be added +1 to attempt count. When user guess right number, will be displayed you won and game over. Under it will be displayed it took you number of attempts to win. In this game, I did not add any maximum number of attempts that user can take. So user can easily guess the number by taking as many attempts as required. Probability for user to win in first 4 guesses is really low. That's why I've added best score, which will be equal to the lowest number of attempts that user takes to win the game. When user won the game, will be displayed statement, would you like to play again? And user need to select Y for yes and N for no. It will be in lowercase. So now let's save it and run. First welcome statement displayed with name of game. Now I need to choose number between 1 and 100. I will choose 50. So number which I guessed is incorrect. So next my guess will be 75. Next guess 65. So right now number is between 65 and 75. So my next guess will be 70. And it displays that number is lower. So let's choose 68. Number is higher, 69, and in 6 attempts, I've guessed the right number. Next, I need to choose to play again or not. So I will choose N, not to play again. Next, I will show how to make number guessing game in C language. Create C file and open in VS Code editor. Include 2 libraries, which you right now see on screen. This guess number game also will be from 1 to 100. So first we'll create integer, number, guess and number of guesses. Number will be randomly selected in range from 1 to 100. First print statement will be guess the number between 1 to 100. Next will be added scan function to capture the number that user entered. If guessed number is bigger than randomly selected number, then will be displayed print statement, please choose a lower number and added \n, so everything will be displayed from new line. Else if guessed number is bigger than randomly selected number, then will be displayed print statement, please choose higher number. Else print statement will be displayed in %d number of guesses, attempts, you've guessed the right number. Every time when user guesses the wrong number, to number of guesses will be added +1. So now let's save it and run. Now I need to guess the number. I will use exactly the same strategy which I've used while guessing number in Python. So I will choose number 50. Next will be 25 number, 35, 40, 45. Randomly selected number is higher than 40 but lower than 45. So let's choose 42. In 6 attempts, I have guessed the right number. The last number guessing game will be done in JavaScript. Create HTML file and open in VS Code editor. Add title that will be displayed. Guess the number game. In body, add script tag. Create welcome alert that will be displaying welcome. Computer choose the number. Guess it right and you will win. Press OK. In next alert will be displayed that the game has 5 levels. Level 1 will be from 1 till 100 number. Rest of levels I will not explain, and full video of this project available on my channel. So let's play level 1, number from 1 to 100. Type 1, press OK. On first level will be randomly selected number in range from 1 to 100. And user will be asked to guess the number. So this time I will choose number 50, press OK. Computer's number is bigger, so I will choose 75. Yet again computer's number is bigger, so I will choose 85, 90, 95. So random number in range from 90 to 95. So let's choose 92, 93. In 6 attempts, I guessed the right number. In this game, I have added number of attempts, and according to number of taken attempts will be displayed alert. If user guessed from first attempt, it will be displayed that you guessed the right number from first attempt. If user taken 7 guesses, good job, you've guessed in plus number of guesses that user took. And if user guess in 10 attempts, it will be displayed you found the number but used too many attempts. Exactly the same logic will be used for all other levels. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please consider subscribing, press like button. If you have any comments, you can write it in comment section and I will reply on it.